In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Users and Accounts. Choose Google over here. And tap on Google Password Manager. Now click on any password you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!